I miss you so much. So if it's your first time to watch my video or for this vlog or this channel, so hi, it's me, Shane Hernando, and welcome to my channel. So for today, I have this video when it comes to the best interest, best bank interest that you can have in the Philippines. So now, it's been a year since I made that video. And at the same time, I mentioned there the CIMB Bank. So it's been a year since I've been a client or a customer of the CIMB. So now I'll give you a annual review or what is my experience with using the CIMB. And I think some of client, customer, or a bank client are not really 100% confident when it comes to internet banking, yung online banking. So I will give you my own experience when it comes to being a CIMB client. So yun siya. So I've mentioned that CIMB is digital banking. So it's since the pandemic yung mga digital banking sa Pilipinas nagsulputan siya. So one of the experience that I have is CIMB. So it's been a year, actually last September, yun yung anniversary namin ni CIMB. But I've been busy in terms of work and everything. So ngayon ko lang siya nabigyan ng review this December. And I think this is the best time to give a feedback or the annual review with my experience with CIMB Bank, because they will give us a great gift. So I will just reveal it at the end of the video, because they're celebrating their 3rd year in the Philippines. So that's one. So first, I will just for the accessibility, CIMB Bank is a digital bank. So fortunately, it comes to cash in yung deposit ng fund. So this is the available bank that you can cash in for free. So luckily I have Video Bank, Metro Bank, so that I can easily transfer in or deposit in the CIMB Bank. So mas madali siya, and at the same time, this is a real-time process. So I don't need to wait after 3 or 12 midnight, so that I can see if my fund or the fund will be are already in the CIMB account. So real time siya yung transfer niya. So mas maganda siya. So do not be worried kung pumasok ba, naging successful ba yung transaction nyo with the cash in. So yun. So yun yung mga bank. If your bank are listed, so it's a good thing kasi nga mas less hassle kasi. And at the same time, yun nga, I've mentioned, meron din kasi silang yung sa PesoNet, and then the PesoNet, and then at the same time InstaPay. But this is not free. Yung mga bank like Metro Bank, BDO, China Bank, yeah, that's the bank na free yung fee niya when it comes to cash in or deposit to the CIMB Bank. When it comes naman to cash out or pag we withdraw ng fund, lahat ng bank, mas madali, no? Yung lahat ng bank po pwede pong mag-transfer out or mag-cash out sa CIMB Bank, and it's also free. So mas madali nga yung pag-cash out compared to cash in, kasi yung iba hindi available. So if you're yun nga, mentioned, if major bank that have listed, mas madali siya. But it comes to cash out, so lahat ng bank, so for instances, I want to transfer fund to my Union Bank, so mas madali siya kasi nga free lang naman yung pag-transfer. So this is an instances, this is a scenario na example, my bank is in BDO, so yun yung payroll ko, and then now kasi it's not free na to transfer to other bank. Like pag BDO, may fee na siya, I don't think nasa 25 pesos if it will be using the PesoNet or yung InstaPay. So yung InstaPay kasi it's a real-time transfer. So pag ginamit nyo yun, may fee na siya. So it's not free anymore. So ang gagawin mo, if ever your BDO is your payroll account, so ita-transfer nyo ngayon kay CIMB Bank all in yung fund nyo, and then you will transfer it out to, example, yung pambayad nyo ng bahay, nasa BPI, tapos yung emergency fund nyo, nasa Union Bank, tapos yung travel fund nyo, nasa ano ba bang bank, like nasa Metro Bank. So, you can parang spread your fund using the CIMB Bank. So, parang naging center, naging bridge siya in terms of transferring your fund. Like, parang ganun yung nangyari. It's because it's, yung cash out kasi to CIMB Bank is just free. But, ito lang yung kaibahan. In terms of the time frame, hindi real time. Okay. I will mention one bank, si RCBC, yung pag-transfer, example, CIMB to RCBC, it will just take you around 30 minutes, so medyo mas mabilis. Parang real time na din yung transfer. Yung buffer niya lang sa 30 minutes, so means matagal na yung 1 hour. So, a good thing is that I'm also a RCBC bank client, so mas advantage siya sa akin. No? So, that's one. Metro Bank is around sa 5 p.m. onwards siya nata-transfer. So, para siyang PesoNet na transfer na hindi siya real time. It will be processed like after 3 p.m. or 5 p.m. But it will be processed naman within the day. Yun yung difference. And then, pag Union Bank na is the same, Metro Bank and Union Bank is the same, mas matagal lang ng konti kay Metro Bank. And at the same time, kay BDO din. So, that's the difference, no? Kung pag-cash in BDO to CIMB, real-time yung process. But in terms to cashing out or withdrawal from the fund, from CIMB, medyo hindi real-time yung pag-transfer from CIMB to BDO. Yun lang siya. Ang nakita ko lang na mas mabilis na pag-transfer in terms to this universal bank is RCBC. So yun siya. Yun yung mabilis yung pag-transfer. And then, one thing also that I like with the CIMB Bank is that one other way around then of cashing out or withdrawing with the CIMB Bank is through their ATM. So yun po siya, may ATM po kasi siya. The ATM is not, example, if your account is opening is AppSave account. Si AppSave account kasi is, they have 3 accounts, no? The Fast Plus account, AppSave, and the GSave. Si AppSave account kasi, hindi ito yung ATM account nyo. The ATM account is only exclusive to Fast Plus account. So, ang gagawin nyo doon is from AppSave account to transfer nyo yung fund nyo kay Fast Plus account, and then you can withdraw na through the ATM. Okay, so ATM ba is free or hindi? Actually, this is one thing na medyo niregret ko, no? In the December 2020, they have this promo na 1,000 lang, you will keep up 1,000 and then you will have this their ATM card, you will get the ATM card na, so you activate it, ganun. So, dahil parang tinamad, so, I didn't process December 2020. So, came up 2021 na, so the requirement na that needed in order for you to have your ATM is at least have a 100,000 deposit at least mga 3 months. Yun yung napansin ko, mga 3 months, so that you will be will be given a chance to have your ATM. So yun yung requirement niya. At least 100,000 in the account so that you will have a free ATM. So luckily, dahil masipag tayong mag-ipon, so I get a card. Sobrang bilis lang po ng process, sobrang walang hassle. Mas mahirap pa yung mga ibang Shopee mo, tsaka Lazada mo para makarating sa bayan nyo. Si CIMB ATM, sobrang dali lang, like a week lang, like I confirmed it through phone na parang I have the chance daw to get ATM card because of blah blah blah. So when the card was delivered, sobrang bilis lang, siguro mga nasa 1 week lang or less than. And then I get the card na. So the card, the good thing about is that you can withdraw anywhere. Any bank, as in any bank talaga, pwede kayong mag-withdraw. Basta may banknet. Yung mga banknet, kasi not all ATM machine is may banknet. So, tingnan nyo yung bank, yung ATM machine nyo. Minsan kasi yung mga hindi, like, yung mga luma na, walang banknet. So, minsan, Visa account, ano pa ba iba? Visa, tapos yung Sears account, so basta hanapin niyo may banknet. Banknet kasi yung ATM card ni CIMB. So, that you can withdraw. So, talagang, I take it parang sobrang less hassle talaga having CIMB Bank. It's because, pag sahuran, sobrang haba ng pila. So, because of the CIMB Bank, CIMB ATM card, kahit saan na ATM, pwede ako mag-withdraw. So, pipili lang ako, tapos pipili ako ng walang pila, then doon ako mag-withdraw. So, sobrang dali niya, no? And then, it comes to like transferring kasi from your AppSave account to your Fast Plus account, which is the ATM account, na pwede nyo withdrawin, is that sobrang real-time din yung transfer. So, kahit Saturday or Sunday weekend, so you can transfer anytime. So, hindi yung parang, on weekdays, kailangan ko siya i-transfer so that I can withdraw it kahit weekend, no? So, the transfer is real-time pa din. So, sobrang less hassle. So, that's one. In terms of the accessibility, I will give CIMB 10 out of 10. Sobrang, like 5-star talaga. Sobrang ang galing. Sobrang ang ganda nung features nila. Like, hindi mo, siguro it's a good thing kasi that I have other banks. So, that's why I can easily cash in and then I can easily cash out also. That's one thing also. And then, having the ATM card is the advantage. So, yun siya. Then, the second is that in terms of the security, it's been a year and then wala namang, thank God, wala naman pong like hacking or anything. So, wala naman. So, secured naman si CIMB even though it's a digital banking. Actually, digital banking is the new trend. Ito yung this is the future already. Yun yung masasabi ko. So, yun siya. Secured naman siya. It's just the same with other universal bank, commercial bank that we have in the Philippines, no, like BDO, RCBC, BPI, Metro Bank. They're into online banking na din eh. Yun nga lang, itong si digital banking, wala siya nung physical bank like in any location that you have, but it's the same. Yung actually, in terms pa nga of like the security level, comes to their digital banking, parang mas nakikita ko mas upgrade sila with it. It's because, sabihin na natin, it comes to the security, medyo mas, trend kasi nga yung bank naman na to is that it's in international bank. So, yun naman, comes to security, nasa 9 out of 10 si CIMB. And at the same time, no, lagi nating iisipin, no, regardless if it's digital banking, if it's a commercial banking, universal bank, the PDIC is only giving you an insurance or the deposit insurance up to 500,000. So, yan po yung lagi nating iisipin. That's only 500,000 to your account. So, and CIMB is under PDIC naman. So, just the same scenario. So, yun lang siya. So, yun yung sa security. And then, some benefits, the interest, yun talaga yung pinaka no. In terms of interest, simula ng, since I opened an account in CIMB, it started at 4%. Until now, it's still 4%, even though their base rate is 2.5%. Dati kasi, yung base rate nila is 4%. But now, it's 4%. So, parang yung 1.5% difference, it's a, they have the term like, a special promo, interest rate, ganun. But, other countries, they're usually having this kind of interest rate. But it's still, parang 4% pa rin naman talaga in total. Kasi the tax, the withholding tax, it will be on the 4% pa rin naman. So, yun siya. Even though the base rate is 2.5. Yung 1.5% is just, they have this requirement so that you can get it. But, initially, ideally, the interest rate is still 4%. Even though, sabi nga nila, it's 2.5% base rate. So, the requirement so that you can have a 4% is that you graciously have to deposit at least 1,000 every month or maintain 100,000. Yun lang naman, yun lang yung requirements niya. Basta paggalawin nyo lang yung account nyo. So, pasok na kayo dun sa 4%. Yun lang yung requirements niya. In terms of interest rate, talagang sobrang goods si CIMB. Like, sobrang, like, pagdating sa interest rate, wala akong masabi. The 4% is really a high interest rate compared to commercial bank that we have in the Philippines. So, sobrang laki ng tulong, no? So, because of that, I will show you the interest rates that I have since I've opened it. So, makikita niyo siya. So, here is the video. So, yan lahat ng interest rate. So, kung magtataka kayo, bakit dalawa? So, yun siya. The base rate and then the additional rate. So, yan siya. So, kaya siya dalawa. Malaki talagang impact ng 20% withholding tax per month. Sobrang laki, no? But, if you compared it yan, so that's, okay, the total of it is, yes, that is the total. And I will make an Excel so that you would see, you will have a comparison of the interest rate of in a CIMB bank and the interest rate of the savings account in the commercial bank. So, here is it. Why I will compare it only to savings bank? Because the CIMB bank, this is not a term deposit. This is a savings account only. So, maglabas-pasok kayo ng pera, magpasok. So, hindi po siya nakalakin. Wala siyang lock-in period. The per percent interest rate have no lock-in period. That's why it's really a good interest rate. So, yun siya. So, that's the comparison. So, nakita nyo, diba? Sobrang laki ng difference ng interest rate. Yes. So, pag 10,000 yung pinasok nyo kay BDO, this is the interest rate per month. Comparing it to the CIMB bank, na 10,000 din na pinasok nyo in 1 month. And then, let's make it in a whole year kung magkano yung interest niya. So, that's it. So, that's the interest rate. So, that is 10,000. Now, we jump to 50,000. And 100,000 and 1 million. You see? Sobrang laki ng difference niya. Diba? I know, kapag you will not really like, hindi incremental relevant kapag like mababa lang, parang ng konti lang naman yan, diba? Or ganito. But if you would see that, like pag inipon nyo yan sa isang taon, 5 taon, sobrang laki na ng tulong yan. Like for like the 50,000 for like 1 month, 'di ba? Like magkano ang gas ngayon, pwedeng kunin niyo siya doon, 'di ba? So, yung maliliit na yan na savings na like interest ng savings account nyo, that is really a big deal, 'di ba? Hindi niyo lang napapansin, pwedeng pambili pa yan ng bigas, 'di ba? Sayang naman. So, that's why choosing a bank na hindi natutulog yung pera nyo is really a really recommended. Kasi sayang eh. So that's yeah, that's my highlight for the interest rate. So we'll give like 11 out of 10 for the interest rate. So that's for the interest rate. Did I miss one or anything? Okay, for the last thing that I will share is the other benefit of having a CIMB account. So actually, there are other features din naman of CIMB. So now they have this personal loan. I never tried this the loan side of the CIMB, but they have this personal loan. I think 50,000. But the interest is pretty high. It's just the same. Parang ile-level din siya sa mga interest rate din ng mga commercial bank. So, yan. Commercial bank and some credit cards. So, yung kung magkano man, just the same. Konti lang yung difference niya. Like 1% per month. So, that's 12% in a year per annum. So, that's the interest. But, aside from the personal loan account, they have this like special loan promo for their some or certain client, and you will receive it through email if you're qualified to have this kind of loan. They call this a interest-free personal loan. So, ganun siya. I'm one of the few clients that have been qualified for this one. But, ano yung catch nito? Bakit wala siyang interest? Wala po talaga siyang interest. You can loan up to 100,000. Wala siyang interest, but they have a processing fee which is 8%. Actually, comparing it to other banks, medyo, kapag nag-loan ka kasi ng personal loan, medyo mataas talaga siya. Nasa around like 0.8, what to 1%, minsan 2% per month. Pero this is annual na to That is 8% for 1 year na siya na interest. So, it's really a good thing if ever. But, I don't try it out kasi nga sayang interest and wala din naman akong paglalagyan ng pera if ever I loan that will make times 2 the interest. Like, maglalabas ako ng pera, then I will put into business, and then that business will give me, yun yung magbabayad ng interest, and it will give me a percentage for a gain. Wala namang gano'n. So, that's why I don't take advantage of this kind of interest with this kind of benefit from CIMB Bank. So, yun siya. That's the personal loan that is interest-free. So, yun siya. That's one thing also, one benefit or privilege that they give to their clients who have yung matataas yung deposit. So, yun. Matataas, hindi naman siguro, that's yun, medyo mataas ang deposit or matagal na sa kanila. So, I don't know what's the qualification, pero yun siya. So, these are not given to everyone. So, yun. Yung personal loan na isa, yung may interest, yun, you can apply with that. But, yung no interest na personal loan but have processing fee, may qualification siya. And I don't know what is that. But I think, obvious naman na yung ano nila is it will be based on yung sa deposits. Yun siya. And then, the last benefit, they have this revolving fund na sinasabi. Revolving fund, I think it's just the same with the credit card system. So, they have the Revi CIMB. So, it's a revolving fund. So, parang may fund ka doon. Example, will you be having a 20,000 fund. Tapos, you can parang use that into buying something, purchasing something. Parang gano'n siya. Parang it's just a parang petty cash na so lalabas mong pera. But I don't know if it has have a interest rate. So, kung credit card yung scheme niya, wala, basta mabayaran mo siya on time. So, ganun lang naman. So, that's the other benefits of having a CIMB. And overall, all I can say is that I'm so happy that I met CIMB Bank. Kasi sobrang laki ng tulong, or like yung nagkaroon ka ng parang, actually I can consider it already a passive income. Diba? Sinong magbibigay sa'yo ng like 200, 300 per month, diba? So, it's a good thing, even in stock market medyo masakit duguan. So, kapag may 300 na gain, so, diba, sobrang, I appreciate really CIMB, and at the same time, wala siyang binibigay na sakit ng ulo sa akin. That's one thing. And in terms of security talaga, sana they really they can continue this kind of service that they have. And in terms naman pala in terms of their customer service, no, sobrang bilis nilang mag-resolve ng issues. Hindi mo na kailangang tumawag. So, sobrang bilis ng pag-resolve nila. They have this chat box, like feedback in their app, wherein you can send like your issues or complaints, and then they can resolve it. So, yun siya. Actually, yung ginagawa ko nga minsan before, no, example, the additional interest rate kasi, it could be credited on the 14th day. Then, nagbibilang ako lagi, 14th banking day. Nagbibilang ako lagi kapag late, ini-email ko na, search na, chat ko na sila, then they reply, tapos kinikredit nila. So, sobrang galing lang ng system nila, and all I can say is that, good job, CIMB. So, they have a lot of awards since 2020 and 2021. So, I can say that really, they are really a good digital bank. So, how I just wish na sana madaming bank, na ganito, that have good rates. So, actually, wala namang problem in terms of the customer service in commercial bank. Maganda talaga, pero kasi labanan is interest rate. So, yun siya. So, panalo si CIMB Bank. And at the same time, in 2021 also, I've, I I discovered one digital bank also that give high interest rate din, and I will give you another video na lang kasi mahaba-habang kwentuhan na po nangyari. So it's a tonic bank, and I'll give you feedback of it. And what is it? So lahat ng bagay na kailangan nyo malaman kay tonic bank, so I will give you another video na lang. So I hope you find this video relevant, and at the same time help you decide if you really want to open it now, and yun siya, to open if you wanted to go to digital banking. And lastly, this is the most important thing, that's why I make this video, is that CIMB Bank will be giving 5% interest rate from December 1 to December 30. So that's their Christmas gift, their anniversary gift to us as a bank user. So yun siya, yun yung pag-gift nila. So sana tinastaasan nila para happy, no? But that's it. That's 5%. Hopefully it will be running kahit 6 months lang, kung pwede lang naman sa CIMB. So that's their gift to us. So if you wanted to open an account, just download their app. So wala po silang website, no? Just download their app, and then lahat po ng processing for opening an account is online. So that's why it's digital banking. So if you have questions on opening this account, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching and supporting this humble and small channel of mine. So it's me again, Shane Hernando. Till our next vlog. See ya!